Yeah, take time over car, my friend. Quick and fast. Move the car and be before you reach I walk out. Buckle on. I'll take my time and just walk. I don't know where I chop. Quick and fast. Buckle on. Move the car. Friend. You know, young sir. Nothing now, man. Oh, you catch a fire door, I couldn't tell you. I think with the too near. I think with the too near. American superhero, them are coming now. Nobody can, I don't think so. What are them beers, sir? I got me on there, they're for the blow. Yo, them brave you fuck. That's all me know, them brave bad. Billion man enough for the blow. One thing gas in it. And then come for 1 minute hard from there now. Still a blaze. A ver, Mato. Every fuck of them brave. And none of them no flinch, you know? Not one of them no flinch.
Ah, but this is un pub?
Yeah?
This is un pub?
Yeah?
Is it car?
No, it's not my car.
No?
I don't know whose car it is. It's just to the house and someone told me to come with my car.
American superhero them.
Nah, man.
No, brother. Boy, them brave dog, that's all we know. And when you go boy, none of them man they no flinch. Insurance for somebody else. And come and call me in the camera. Fuck you, America, they see the thing possibly now.